Welcome to Wednesday's Financial News Review, presented by Centepex, a multi-award-winning Forex broker. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest financial news.
Meta's stock jumped 3.8% to $636.22 on Tuesday, after reports of a potential multi-billion-dollar deal to use Google's Tensor processing units, promising lower AI costs and reduced reliance on NVIDIA. The German stock market index rose to 23,527 points, reflecting positive sentiment in Europe, after weaker-than-expected U.S. retail sales and labor data reinforced expectations of a December rate cut. Gold rose to around $4,160 per ounce on Wednesday, hovering close to a nearly two-week high, following the release of delayed economic data that bolstered expectations of a December Federal Reserve rate cut. The Australian dollar strengthened to around 65 cents on Wednesday, hitting a one-week high, after a stronger-than-expected inflation print reinforced bets of a hawkish Reserve Bank of Australia policy outlook. Bitcoin traded at around $87,600 this Wednesday, as the market has sharply corrected from its October peak of $126,000, driven by forced liquidations and a broad shift toward risk aversion. Now let's take a look at today's key economic events. At 1:30 p.m., the United States will publish durable goods orders for September, after a 2.9% rise in August. At 2:45 p.m., we'll get the latest reading of the Chicago Purchasing Managers Index for November, following October's figure of 43.8. Turning to tomorrow's highlights. At 7 a.m., Germany will release its Consumer Confidence Index for December, after posting -24.1 in November. And at 11:30 p.m., Japan's unemployment rate is expected to edge higher, after holding at 2.6% in September.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centepex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.